Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a watermark on TikTok. So if you want to download a TikTok video without the watermark, this is how you are going to do it. First, just find the TikTok videos that you want to save, and then you can click on the share button in here and just copy the link of the video. Okay, after the link has been copied, you can just go back to your home screen and open your browsers in here, and then just find download TikTok video no watermark. You can just click on that as the keyword, and here there are lots of options that you can choose. I'm going to just use the first one, Snaptic. You can just paste the link that you've copied before and then hit on download. So you can see this is the result. You can just tap on download video, and then the video will be downloaded, and let's see if it has watermark or not. Okay, so this is the video, and just like that you can see there is no watermark on the video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.